Hello YouTube, this is Bruno, Minecraft Farms in 3 minutes, part 21, and today I will show you a ghast farm. This video took some time because actually I created the farm and then wasn't satisfied with the raids and rebuilt it. It's another portal based farm. Here in the overworld we have a small killing chamber and you see that ghasts come out of the portals. They suffocate in the portal frame because they are really big and they can't get away, and part of them are stuck in the portals. But we also see quite a few skeletons. At some point they will push each other out of the portal frame. Now the skeletons are pushed into a small killing chamber just for the skeletons using soul campfires. At the start of the farm they accumulate in the portal, but with time they just push each other out and die down here. The design of this killing chamber follows a video from Gnembon. The big change in 1.19 of course is that we have to handle skeletons. And this is the nether side. We have an AFK platform that is nearly at build height. Below spawning platforms for the ghasts that consists of magma blocks. And that's the crucial difference between 1.18 and 1.19. In 1.18 you could use any block, for example netherrack, but in 1.19 to get good raids you will have to make sure that no skeletons spawn. A few skeletons will still spawn inside of the portal frames, as you have seen in the overworld, but they are transported immediately to the killing chamber. So we just have to make sure that they don't come back. And skeletons can't spawn on magma blocks. So they will spawn only in the portal where they are transported. And of course, every ghast that spawns will also be transported immediately because they have a size of 4 blocks and they spawn in the middle of a block. Regardless of where they spawn, they will touch one of the portals. You could use large portals depending on how much obsidian you have, or you could use smaller portals. This gives a few additional spawning spaces for the ghasts, but also for the skeletons. Let's talk very briefly why we need magma blocks. The issue is this was how we used to build the farms in 1.18, because in 1.18 skeletons would spawn only at light level 0. But with 1.19 they will spawn at light level 11, and the spawning condition in the Soul Sand Valley mean that these few skeletons here that you can see block all of the ghast spawns for this farm. So if we have skeletons here, then the raids of the farm will be abysmal. We could think we could just light it up or just use lighting blocks, for example the new frog lights, because here we won't have any skeletons at all. We have to make sure though that these portal blocks also have a light level of 12, so we need this extra frog light here. However, it turns out that we get much lower spawn rates if we light these blocks up. So regardless if you use lighting blocks or if you use torches, you will have much lower spawn rates. So this farm here will also produce almost no ghast here. So the best solution is indeed to use magma blocks. We still have a light level of 9 or 10 in the middle. There's nothing we can do about it because of the portals. The raids of this farm are pretty much exactly the raids that we get with the same farm using netherrack in 1.18. This farm doesn't require a lot of resources, but it will produce about 6 stacks of ghast tears per hour. And of course you could stack more modules on top here, increase the raids by a lot. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed the episode, and see you next time. Bye bye!